That's right, guys, I am here on the boardwalk at Knott's Berry Farm to be one of the first people to ride HangTime. This is California's first dive coaster. It's this guy right here behind me. You can see that it's pretty high, but I'm a big coaster fiend, so I'm pretty excited to check it out. Looks like there's some food, a brand new merch store. We can even meet a surfing Snoopy, so let's check it out. Everything HangTime, which fits in beautifully here at Boardwalk at Knott's. Can you tell us a little bit about the story and how you guys kind of work together to have it fit in perfectly with this land?
Sure, no problem. So HangTime, we didn't have a lot of space to work with. Obviously the Boomerang was here, and Knott said we want a really exciting coaster and we want to fit it there. And we're like, okay, that's going to be a challenge, but Gerstlauer's engineers really did a lot of work to come up with a really exciting ride that was really marketable. Obviously the LA market's a very competitive one, so we needed something that stood out, and we came up with this great dive coaster concept and then add on the KCL lighting package, and we think we really have a one-of-a-kind coaster for California.
It's so Californian too, just the whole surf theme, and like it's just the HangTime like means something, you know?
Yeah.
It kind of plays two things, which is really
it works
really
out really
cool.
well.
And I know we have a lot of people that are coaster fiends, so how fast is it? How tall is it? Like what are some of the things that people can really look forward to?
I'd say a couple important stats. It's 150 feet tall and it's a 150-foot vertical lift, so probably not all your viewers have gone up a vertical lift before, and if they have, maybe not 150 feet. It's almost 2,200 feet worth of track, and we have about a 2-minute ride time from start to finish.
It was really cool. And can you tell me a little bit about the lights? I feel like that's something I've seen like really unique to this. I don't think I've seen that quite before, but it kind of feels like the wave is like following you, like you're really riding the wave.
You hit it on the head.
Yeah?
So our other partner, KCL Engineering, came up with that lighting package. They designed it and installed it here. And we actually have what's called a chase program. So when the ride leaves, the ride computer tells the lighting system that it's starting, and it actually chases that coaster around the course. And we actually have a couple triggers on it where, like on hot days when we're running fast or cold days when it's running slow, the lighting system will actually adjust to the speed of the train and make sure it matches up with it.
My time to ride. It's only been going for a few minutes. That is high.
I drink so much. Oh God. You're gonna be good, man. Huh? What?
You know what? He like looked high, but then didn't look high, and now looks higher.
It's a little scary.
He's waiting.
Oh no, I need this.
This is terrifying. Oh my god.
Oh God.
I'm feeling so nervous. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. My eyes are streaming.
I still want to drink though.
Absolutely scary. It was, dude. I thought it was going to be way more scary.
It's not.
Really fun. That was amazing.
That was wild. I don't think I've ever been on a coaster quite like that. I've been on some kind of similar. The closest thing I can compare it to is kind of like a hybrid between the Rip Rocket coaster in Universal Studios Orlando and Mystery Mine in Dollywood. But man, it's not just called Hang Time to be surf themed. There is so much actual hang time. I mean, you feel yourself coming out of the seat and not having any sort of straps like on your upper body. Oh my gosh, it's so terrifying. That overhang where you kind of pause for a second before then you take that first dive where you actually go back inside the track. So fun. Oh my gosh, I want to go do it again so bad. That does it for me here tonight at Knott's Berry Farm. If you guys think you have what it takes to hang, Hang Time is now open. It is the ultimate coaster for thrill seekers. I think you guys will love it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.